So now, next stop, pressure clean the inside of this van, just so it's clean. I might even, before we do that, I might actually take this little thing out if I can get it removed, so that the actual floor can get cleaned as well. Boom, boom. Funny how a day can turn. 1 minute you think you're winning, next minute kicks you in the teeth. Life, that is. I was going to start this thing, see if the power steering had come back without being snatchy, let it run for a few minutes, check the oil levels. Then the ignition key wouldn't turn. I took it out earlier on because I had to check for what size battery goes into the little light, and it came out. I've previously used it, it's been in and out a few times, and now today when I wanted to start it, it's just locked. The barrel is locked in position. The steering is now also locked. I've tried various ways, pulling the key in and out, trying 3 different keys, and also wiggling the steering while I am trying to unlock it, etc. It's just refusing in all ways. So I thought, instead of that then, seeing as I don't feel like I've done a whole lot other than making that air filter unit, I may as well paint this thing black with some rattle can. It'll probably be a total failure, but I don't care. I don't care. Anyway, I'll spray some cheap rattle can paint just to get it to a uniform color. If it scrapes off, too bad, but I mean, once it's painted, at least it's a little bit better than what it does right now, which is, having been a painter's vehicle. This is after the pressure cleaning, by the way. So it has been pressure cleaned and washed properly, but it still looks like this. So hopefully some black paint will make all the difference. Right, let's do some paint. Just straight satin black. I'll do all the edges first. That's that. Black is black. You ain't getting your baby back. Give that a moment to dry. There you go. It's all black. The light is obviously making it look kind of splotchy in places. But when you look with the light from behind, that's better. I think that looks a whole lot better. 2 cans of paint. Black, satin black. Or is it matte black? Can't remember. Matte black. That's obviously still got to dry completely. The nice thing is now this thing at least looks like one color, which is a good thing. So yeah, leave that to dry overnight and I'll hide it somewhere until all the bodywork and paint is done, but at least that's done.